Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide real name on PayPal. First, log into your PayPal account, go to Settings, click Upgrade to a business account. Fill in the required business information. This can be your brand name, store name, or even your alias if you're a freelancer or creator. After upgrading, go to Settings again. On the left side, click Business Information. Click Update next to the business name. On the next page, click Edit. Enter your preferred business name. This is what people will see instead of your real name. You can also upload a logo here for a more professional touch. Make sure to save the updates. From now on, your business name will appear on payment requests, invoices, buyer receipts, and transactions. Note, your real name will still be visible to PayPal for verification purposes, but not to clients or customers. And that's it. That's how to hide your real name on PayPal. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.